In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a priority level in Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to highlight your most important tasks, so they stand out in your daily list and are easier to tackle first. Let's start inside your Todoist workspace. Make sure you're logged in and looking at one of your projects or your task list. The very first thing you need to do is choose the task whose priority you want to change. This could be something due today, something overdue, or a task you just created and don't want to forget about. Find that task in your list and click on it to open the task details. This usually appears in a panel on the side or in a pop-up, depending on your device. Opening the task details is important because this is where Todoist gives you access to extra options like due dates, labels, and of course priority levels. Once the task details are open, look for the priority control. Typically, this appears as a small flag icon or a colored indicator next to the task title or near the due date. Go ahead and click on that priority icon. When you click it, Todoist will show you the available priority levels you can assign. You'll see several options, each represented with different colors or flag styles. These usually range from a neutral or lowest priority up through higher levels that stand out more visually. The idea is simple. The higher the priority, the more Todoist will highlight that task in your lists and views, helping you see at a glance what needs your attention first. Now, select the priority level you want for this task by clicking on the option that best matches its importance. For example, if this is something urgent you must finish today, you might choose the highest priority. If it's something that can wait, pick a lower one. As soon as you click, Todoist will immediately update the task with that new priority level. You should now see the updated priority color or flag applied to the task, both in the task details and in your main list. If you change your mind later, you can repeat this same process at any time. Open the task, click the priority icon, and choose a different level. That's all there is to it. By consistently setting and adjusting your priority levels in Todoist, you will keep your to-do list organized and make it much easier to focus on what truly matters each day.